Hello everyone, this is Nikita Pawar, student from SNDT Women's University, Mumbai, studying in MSc Part 2. This is my presentation on the topic Types of Illusions in HPLC. Let's start with the presentation. First, we will see what is HPLC. It is a high performance liquid chromatography or high pressure liquid chromatography. It is a technique in analytical chemistry used to separate, identify, and quantify each component in a mixture. So there are two types of elutions in HPLC. First, we will see what is eluent. In a liquid chromatography experiment, for example, an analyte is generally adsorbed or bound to an adsorbent in a liquid chromatography column. Elution then is the process of removing analytes from the adsorbent by running a solvent called an eluent. So there are two types of elutions in HPLC, with isocratic and gradient elution. Isocratic elution means constant composition is pumped through the column during the whole analysis. In the second type, eluent composition is steadily changes during the run. As you can see in the picture, isocratic elution requires constant composition while gradient elution requires composition. Its composition is changes during the run. Now we will see in detail what is isocratic elution means. A separation in which the mobile phase composition remains constant throughout the procedure is termed as isocratic, meaning constant composition. The example of this, the percentage of methanol throughout the procedure will remain constant, that is 10%. In isocratic elution, peak width increases with retention time linearly according to the equation for n, the number of theoretical plates. This leads to the disadvantage that, as you can see in the graph, this leads to the disadvantage that these late eluting peaks will get very flat and broad. Therefore, these broad peaks become very difficult to separate, and also here we can see the poor resolution of initial eluting peaks. So this is the disadvantage. Now we will move to the next slide, advantages of isocratic elution in HPLC. No specific HPLC pump is necessary to flow the solvents or mobile phase. The method transfer is easily possible. Therefore, there is no need to re-equilibrate with the initial mobile phase composition between the consecutive injections. It is a cost-effective method as compared to gradient elution. It is a simple way of separation as compared to gradient elution. Now, disadvantages of isocratic elution. This is a time consuming method. The major disadvantage is that delay eluting peaks become very broad and flat. Poor resolution of initial eluting peaks. This will separate a limited number of molecules. This method is not suitable for a clean HPLC column. Now, gradient elution. Gradient elution is based for analysis of complex samples. Mobile phase solvent composition increases with time. Now we will see the definition of gradient elution. The mobile phase composition does not have to remain constant. A separation with the mobile phase composition is changed during the separation process is described as gradient elution. One example is a gradient starting at 10% methanol and ending at 90% methanol after 20 minutes. The two components of the mobile phase are typically termed A and B. A is a weak solvent which allows the solid to elute only slowly, while B is a strong solvent which rapidly elutes the solutes from the column. In reverse phase chromatography, solvent A is often water or an aqueous buffer, while B is an organic solvent miscible with water such as acetronitrile, methanol, or isopropanol. Gradient elution decreases the retention of later eluting components. As you can see in this graph, gradient elution decreases retention of later eluting components so that they elute faster, giving a narrower peaks, or we can say taller peaks for the most component. This also improves peak shape for tailed peaks, as increasing concentration of organic eluent pushes tailing part of a peak forward. This also increases peak height and the peak look sharper, which is important in trace analysis. A sample containing compounds of a wide range of polarities can be separated by this gradient illusion in a shorter time without loss of resolution in earlier peaks. Now we will see what are the advantages of gradient illusion. Gradient HPLC mode has ability to separate complex samples. This method gives increased sensitivity. Gradient illusion has shorter analysis times and gives much narrower chromatographic peaks. It gives an improved resolution. It can reduce the column degradation because of strongly retained analytes. The gradient HPLC method also enhances the efficiency of HPLC column. This is the best method compared to an isocratic illusion to clean the columns. Now disadvantages of gradient illusion. To flow the mobile phase is gradual illusion. A special HPLC pump is required which is more expensive. Between consecutive injections, it needs to be re-equilibrated with the initial mobile phase composition. There is a method transfer problem since instruments vary in their dwell volume. Precipitation is possible when using multiple proportional valves. Thank you.